Introducing a new training program from the Iron Apple eClassroom. Health and Food Safety Best Practices for Transportation and Delivery COVID-19 Edtion, Slowing the Spread. Since we have all now experienced a pandemic of an infectious disease such as COVID-19, we have learned more just how essential the roles of transporting food and products are. With this training module, our goal is to provide you with the knowledge you will need to stay healthy, allowing you to continue keeping our grocery store supplied, products on our shelves, medical supplies in hospitals, delivering food and groceries to homes, and to be able to return safely to your home. Whether you are a long-haul truck driver, picking up or dropping off supplies and food from suppliers to retailers, or you are a last-mile delivery person, delivering groceries and meals directly to homes, keeping yourself, your customers, and the products you are transporting safe is your utmost priority. We will be reviewing best practices to protect yourself while maintaining food safety procedures to ensure you do not contaminate the products you are working on to keep safe. We will be focusing on these 4 main areas. Number 1, health and hygiene. By using proper hygiene practices, you can help reduce the risk of contamination or spreading contamination to others. Number 2, proper use of PPE. If you are required to use personal protective equipment, make sure you follow the proper use and disposal of these items. Number 3, sanitation. Regular cleaning of your vehicle used to transport or deliver food is another preventive measure to help keep yourself, your customers, and the food you're transporting safe. And number 4, protecting yourself. We have all heard of physical or social distancing, which means leaving at least 6 feet or 2 meters distance between people as much as possible. This new social norm during an infectious or contagious disease outbreak can really change how we interact and go about doing business. This training package is web-based and consists of a short training video, approximately 16 minutes long, a knowledge testing quiz, along with a certificate of completion when the course is done. Our hope is that this training will be an asset to your team and to help you continue providing these essential services while staying safe and healthy.